Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I filmed the video, but today I really felt like filming one, and I want to do a fun makeup tutorial. And I kind of don't really want to talk about my weight loss because I feel like on this channel all I talk about is my weight loss, but there's been a lot of weight gain lately and I just don't really want to talk about it. So anyways, today I thought it'd be fun to do a little fun just a makeup tutorial, and I want to show you guys my new skincare routine that I love and that I'm obsessed with. Yeah, and it's super simple. It's so simple for the summer, and it only has like 3 products, well, kind of 4 products, but yeah, anyways, let's get started. So I've already cleansed my face with the Garnier organic lemongrass face wash, and this is the best face wash of all time. I'm obsessed with it. I've gone through several bottles of it. It's amazing. It only takes like 1 pump and your whole face is clean. Anyways, so then I'm going to show you guys my new obsession. I am so in love with these 2 products from Garnier. They're literally amazing and they're game-changing. So Garnier is kind of taking a more eco-friendly turn, and they're coming up with so many eco-friendly products that are also basically good for the environment but also good for your wallet, because they just released these reusable cleansing pads. Yeah, these are the micellar cleansing eco-friendly pads. When you buy this pack, you get 3 pads, 1, 2, 3. I've used these ever since I got them. They're amazing. I'm obsessed. And they are so easy to use. They're so easy to hold in your hands. I've tried several reusable like makeup removing cloths, and these ones are the best ones. First of all, they are super soft and they remove your makeup amazingly. You can add water or micellar water. I'm going to show you my favorite Garnier micellar water because they have a ton of them. But I mean, I love every single one that I've tried, but I have one that I love so much. And yeah, these are amazing. Now, these are not just amazing for removing your makeup, which they do so well, by the way. They're also great in the morning when you just don't want to really cleanse your face, or you just want to apply some toner and use your micellar water. These are amazing for that, and the fact that they're reusable is insane. And you can reuse these pads for up to 1,000 times, which is insane. Like, that's amazing. You literally have these for years. So my favorite cleansing micellar water from Garnier is the vitamin C one. I love this water because it removes all my makeup, it refreshes my face, and it kind of like illuminates my face. I'm going to show you guys how I use this in the morning. So all I do is I put a little bit of my micellar water on my reusable pads, and I just kind of rub it in. You don't have to soak the entire pad in for it to be effective. All you have to do is just put a little bit of drops, and that's it. Then I'll use a Garnier vitamin C serum. This is their newest one. I love this serum so much. I've also used it at night and it works really, really well. I love that Garnier is focusing a lot more on the environment, and that I love that their packaging and their products are recyclable and they care so much about the environment. I think it's really cool. So I'm going to go in with some foundation, and this brush from Makeup Revolution is my newest favorite foundation brush because it applies makeup so fast. It's faster than a beauty blender. It's faster than a flat top kabuki brush. It just blends makeup super fast. Look at that, super fast. And because it's really wide, it just has like a really bigger surface and it doesn't leave any streak. For this natural look, all I'm going to do is use a little bit of like a brown eyeshadow that is a little bit cool toned. Anyways, so yeah, so all I'm going to do is just apply a cool tone shadow in my crease, like so. Okay, so I've applied my liner, my lashes, and yeah, my false lashes and my mascara, and it was like super quick and easy. And now I'm going to apply some blush, which is like super neutral. My favorite one is from ColourPop. It's the coral one. And I'm just going to apply lightly on the apples of the cheeks. And then for the lips, I'm going to go in with a neutral lipstick from Maybelline in the color More Buff. These are so nice because they're all matte. Anyway, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine and skincare routine using my favorite products. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I love you so much. Bye.